This turf has made a huge difference to our school. It's definitely a lot safer for children. If they fall over, they're not falling over on rough concrete, they're just falling off on the nice turf instead.
I definitely recommend getting a turf area in the school. It's definitely made a difference to the children here. Like, we can see all sorts of age groups using the courts from morning, lunch times and morning teas.
One thing we noticed if it had been raining, we'd have to cancel trainings a lot because it was just too much of a hazard. Whereas if it's raining, we could still bring them out. They're always happy to train no matter what.
It's definitely versatile and we are able to use it for many different sports because it's a multi-purpose court.
And yeah, I think the children just love being out here, so it's been great for our school.
Yeah, definitely life-changing for the kids. Yeah. Thanks, Ecolon!